Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this antifungal pen. So if you've got some fungus kind of growing on your nails or anything like that, this here is going to help you get rid of that. So let's see what we've got here. So this is, came without the lid came off of it. Okay, I gotta rip open the whole box to get to it here. Okay. So here we go. Came like this. And here we go. We have it comes with a little nail file as well. So you can file down the nail first and then apply the antifungal ointment to it. And that will do it there. It looks like it has a little push button here, which will kind of push some of it out into this little paintbrushy pen. So the way it will work, if I aim you down here at my foot, which I'll put up here in a second. Okay, we got my foot up here. So you can see this toe here is gross. I will go and sand it all down nice and good. Get it all so it's nice and open in there. And then once it's done, I will put this here, push this a little bit to get it out there, and then paint it on. And that is how you will get rid of the fungus. So that's what I'll be doing, and hopefully my fungus will be all gone. Thumbs up.